Proper fodder management is essential for successful dairy farming, especially for smallholder dairy farmers who often work with limited resources. Chaffing fodder, which involves cutting it into small uniform pieces, can significantly reduce waste, improve palatability, and enhance digestibility. These benefits lead to better resource utilization, higher milk production, and healthier cattle. Educating dairy farmers on this practice can transform the way they manage feed, resulting in improved outcomes for their herds and livelihoods. One of the most common issues in dairy farming is fodder wastage. When dairy farmers feed whole stems, stalks, or leaves, cattle often leave behind the less palatable or harder parts. This leads to significant wastage of valuable feed. Chaffing solves this problem by breaking down fodder into smaller, manageable pieces that cattle can easily consume. This simple step ensures that the majority of the feed is utilized, reducing wastage and helping dairy farmers make the most of their available resources. Cattle can sometimes find long, coarse fodder unappealing or difficult to chew. This can lead to lower feed intake, which directly impacts their health and productivity. Chaffing fodder into smaller pieces makes it easier for cattle to chew and swallow, significantly increasing palatability. When cattle enjoy their feed, they eat more, ensuring they receive the nutrients needed for optimal milk production and overall health. Whole or unchaffed fodder can take longer to break down in the rumen, and larger particles may even pass through the digestive system undigested. Chaffed fodder, on the other hand, offers a larger surface area for rumen microbes to act upon, improving the breakdown of fibrous material. This enhanced digestibility allows cattle to absorb more nutrients from their feed, resulting in better milk yields and stronger, healthier animals. Chaffing fodder not only reduces wastage, but also allows dairy farmers to feed more cows with the same quantity of feed. By ensuring every piece of fodder is consumed, dairy farmers can stretch their resources further. Efficient feeding also reduces overall feeding costs, making dairy farming more sustainable and profitable in the long run. Efficient fodder management has a direct impact on milk production. When cows consume the right amount and quality of fodder, they produce more milk. Chaffed fodder helps meet their nutritional needs for energy, protein, and fiber, enabling them to perform at their best. As a result, farmers not only increase milk yields, but also improve their income and the well-being of their families. Dairy farmers can adopt simple yet effective practices to maximize the benefits of chaffing. Investing in a manual or mechanized chaff cutter can save time and labor while ensuring uniform cutting. Green fodder such as Napier, maize, or sorghum should be chopped into 2 cm to 3 cm pieces, while dry fodder like hay or paddy straw can be mixed with concentrates or molasses for better nutrition. Regularly monitoring leftovers and adjusting feed quantities can help minimize waste further. Additionally, training farm workers on proper chaffing and feeding techniques ensures consistency in these practices. Educating smallholder dairy farmers on chaffing and efficient feeding practices has far-reaching benefits. Reduced fodder wastage contributes to sustainable farming practices, while increased milk production improves income and food security for dairy farming families. By utilizing resources efficiently, dairy farmers can expand their herds without significant cost increases, driving growth in the dairy sector as a whole. Adopting and promoting the practice of chaffing fodder is a small change that can make a big difference. It is a practical, cost-effective way for dairy farmers to reduce waste, feed their herds more efficiently, and boost milk production. Through workshops, on-farm training, and demonstrations, we can empower dairy farmers to embrace these techniques and ensure a brighter, more sustainable future for dairy farming.